Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Community Edition 8 on an Oracle Linux server step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this guide will help you set up MySQL seamlessly. Let's get started. MySQL Community Server is the open-source version of MySQL. It is developed by Oracle Corporation and is freely available under the GNU General Public License. It is compatible with major operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. If you are a developer, student, or small business and comfortable relying on community support, you can use MySQL Community Server. On the other hand, MySQL Enterprise is the commercial edition of MySQL offered by Oracle Corporation that is designed for businesses that require advanced features, enhanced security, and professional support. Here we go. To see step-by-step practical demo of installing MySQL Community Edition 8 on Oracle Linux Server 7. Log in as root user. Check name and version of your Linux distribution. Install MySQL Yum repository. Now we will install MySQL Yum repository. The MySQL Yum repository is a software package repository provided by MySQL that simplifies the installation and management of MySQL products on Linux-based systems. Create a directory MySQL_Yum_ repository where to download RPM. Go to MySQL_Yum_ repository. Verify present working directory. Download the MySQL Yum repository with wget command. Check if RPM file has been downloaded. Install the MySQL Yum repository package. We can use RPM command or we can also use command yum local install. I am using command yum local install. Verify repository is added. Install MySQL Community Server. Confirm MySQL installation using version command. Now, we will start and enable MySQL service. We will use command systemctl with option start. It will start MySQL service. Systemctl with option enable to enable service so that it will automatically start when you start Linux next time. And you do not have to start MySQL D service manually. Enable MySQL to start at boot. Check the status of MySQL. We will use command systemctl with option status to check status of MySQL D service. We can see that MySQL D service is enabled. We can see that MySQL D service is started. We can perform some more steps to verify MySQL installation. Use PID of command to check process ID of MySQL if it is running. MySQL default port is 3306. Verify if port 3306 is open. When you install MySQL, then operating system user MySQL is automatically created. It will show list of all open files by MySQL user. Now, we will see how to change password of MySQL root user after installation. By default, MySQL may not have a root password. MySQL did not ask for setting any passwords for root user. There is need to set password of root user of MySQL manually. We will use MySQL utility MySQL_secure_ installation for this. MySQL generates a temporary root password during installation. It can be found in error log file mysqld.log that exists in var log directory. This command will show temporary password generated in mysqld.log file. So, we get temporary password from mysqld.log file. Now, we will use MySQL_secure_ installation utility to reset root password. MySQL_secure_ installation utility is used to improve the security of MySQL server like setting a root password, removing anonymous users, disabling remote root login, removing test databases, reloading privilege tables, log into MySQL using the root user, verify installation, run a basic query to confirm installation, show databases. That's it for today's tutorial on installing MySQL Community Server 8 on Oracle Linux 7. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and practical tech guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.